Hello everyone, in this video I would be showing you how to draw a pentagonal lamina which has got the sides of length 25 mm and rests on its corner on HP such that the surface makes an angle of 30 degrees with HP and perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corner on which the lamina rests appears to be inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Then draw the top view and front view of the lamina. Yes, let us start by drawing the pentagonal lamina. If you are unaware of the way to define the lines, say visible line or XY line or anything as such, you can visit the first video of this particular playlist which has got the information regarding the ways to define the lines. Let us begin. 25, 72. Now the angles in the case of the pentagon would be in the multiples of 72. The reason is 360 divided by number of sides would give you the in each angle. So therefore the first angle is said to be 72. Next it is 25, 144, 25, 216, 25, 288, 25, 360. Yes, we have the pentagon ready. Now let us move the pentagon. We need to select the entire thing. Fine. Once we have moved it, since the question says the pentagon is resting on its corner, okay, one thing what we need to observe is from this vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side should be selected. That is very important. Otherwise, the corner position of the pentagon may not be accurate. Now let us draw its projection on VP. You can cross-check whether the drawn pentagon is correct or not by checking whether this particular projection line exactly joins or passes through this point or not. If it doesn't pass, then the drawn pentagon may have some errors. Okay. Now let's check the dimension. Yes, it is 25. Name the points first. A, B, C, D, E. Fine. Now let us draw the projection of this particular thing using the visible line here. Remember, in the case of the pentagon as well as in the case of the hexagon, in the middle of these two lines you get a point, or in the case of the corner position of the square as well, you get a point in the middle. Never forget to click on that particular point, because otherwise in the next position, while you're drawing the next position, you may not be able to spot that point on the line. Okay, so yes, now this is A dash. Okay, it is C dash of B dash. C dash of B dash. Fine. Then we have, it is E dash. It is E dash of B dash. And we have D dash of C dash. Fine. Now let us move on to the next position. Click on move. Observe the copy option is active. Place it here. Yes. The next position specification is as follows. They say it is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. So I would be rotating this particular thing, okay, by an angle of 30 degrees, and just click it, check whether it is 30 degrees or not. Okay, yes, it is 30 degrees. Now let us draw the projection line from here. So always draw the projection lines in this position or in the other from the rightmost point, because it will avoid you from overlapping of the lines. Okay, be very precise while doing this projection line work, because it can lead to errors, and that in turn can lead to the error in the problem entirely. Sometimes what happens is, whatever these dotted lines you are seeing, they may not be visible. In that case, here you can see something called as alignment indicator. If this is off, now you can see, I will show you, this particular line doesn't come. See, no alignment indicator. So we'll just on it. Okay. See, now it's coming, right? Yeah. Fine. Now this is the only point which is remaining, which is to be connected. Let us draw the visible line now and use the visible line to connect these points. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. Fine. Once we are done with it, just select it. Yes. Now here the next condition is a bit peculiar. They say the perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corner on which the lamina rests appears to be inclined at 30 degrees to BP. So it is not any of the side which is inclined. It is the perpendicular bisector of the lamina which is being rested. Okay. So therefore let us draw a perpendicular bisector. Drawing a perpendicular bisector is very simple. Draw any random line. Okay. Set the given angle. They say it is 30 degrees, so I have set it to 30. Okay. Now we'll be moving. Copy option is active. Yes. So place it here. Fine. Now I just rotate it off. Yes. So once we are done with it, this is how the perpendicular bisector condition is drawn. Okay. That is the question in which perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corner is defined. This is a peculiar condition. These are some of the important conditions which should be kept in mind so that the preparation would be easy, or the learning process would be easy. Fine. Now from the rightmost point I would be starting to draw the projections. Yes. So next is this point. From the point D to D dash. Okay, next from the point B to B dash. From the point A to A dash. Ensure that there is no bend in this particular projection lines because they may lead to error. If you're not sure about the lines being straight, then use the zoom option. Okay, so I will just remove the excess line here. Now I'll use the zoom option because it provides a better clarity. Now I would be using the visible line. Yes. So be very careful while drawing such kind of things because here both the lines are intersecting the XY line, so it may take any one. So be very careful while spotting such things. Okay, so this point would be A dash. Okay, so this point would be B dash, followed by C dash, D dash, and D dash. Okay, fine. So this is our pentagonal lamina, which is resting on HP on its corner, and in the last position the perpendicular bisector condition would be drawn in this manner. Let us complete by drawing the leaders. We just indicate the flow of the problem. Since there are three different positions, using this it would be helpful for us to know the exact flow. Yes, again here you may require a few zooming process. Yes. Fine. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked the explanation and the way of drawing. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. And if you have subscribed, please share it with your friends so that channel gains popularity and your friends gain the knowledge. And one extra thing I would be mentioning is, in the description link below, I would be mentioning the few links of the study material of Sai Vidya Institute of Technology where I am studying, so that it would be helpful for the students who are doing engineering under VTU, that is Vishweshwaraya Technological University, to refer the notes which are prepared by the experienced professors. Thank you.